Okay, so this short video lesson will be about creating and changing that layout of the page you're looking at. Okay, and so here we are on this option here, changing the layout of the page. Okay, and you're going to want to edit the page, and then you can click on layout. Now you can change this in different ways. You can create columns, 2 to 3 columns. You can create one column with the banner on the top. You can create 2 columns with the banner on the top, 3 columns with the banner on the top. Okay, you can make it a left sidebar like you're looking at here, where there's a sidebar. You can create that inside of the actual page. Okay, and so that's kind of what you can do there. One of the things that I try and do when I change the layout is keep it simple. Okay, because the crazier it looks on screen, the more you've got put into it as a layout, the more confusing it may look on a phone. Okay, and we know a lot of our students have smartphones that have Wi-Fi, and I've found that most of my students use their phones as opposed to a computer. And so the website that I used to have was real busy. I had a lot of things going on, a lot of pictures, a lot of different, creative looking things on there, and the kids would complain, like, hey, there's just it's too busy, we can't find what we're looking for. And you want to make it to where it's as easy to locate what they're looking for as you can possibly make it, because the more difficult it is, the less likely they'll get in there and actually do it. And so I try and keep it 1, 2, 3 columns. That's kind of it. Now if you want to put videos in the page, and let's say you want to have videos on both sides of the page, you're going to have to go 2 columns. You're probably not going to make 3 columns work if you're going to put videos, because the video size is kind of a default size, and it's larger than this box. And so if you want to create videos to where they're lined up on 2 per line, this is how you would do that. Okay, an example of that would be, if we're looking here at my site that I use, this would be an example. I've got videos on both sides, and you can see the size of this and how it kind of works, how big it is. And if you go back over here, you'll notice it'll fit there, but you can't fit 3 side by side. That's not going to happen. Okay, so that's how you would change the layout of the page.